Alrighty, so I had to record this on my phone because a day later, the seats that were supposed to come for the Nanrobot, well not mine, I didn't get one, I want to get one later on, but for the seats supposed to come for the D6, it's called. Ooh, I like this, my phone update, now I can actually zoom in from my phone. Anyways, yeah, the camera, or the seats finally came in. So, here are the seats. Is that the post? It's a seat. So it's like a spring in the post. So that's what makes it better. I think there's a spring in the post. It's probably tougher than I can make it bounce. So. But I think there's a spring in the post. So like, that's why there's little rubber things here. It's like a shock under here or whatever. And gives it an extra bounce. So now you have a bounce from the suspension and a bounce from the post. Right, so today we're going to show you how to put on the Nanrobot D6 Plus seat since no one else has it. So first what you want to do, shut up! First what you want to do is, this is going to come separate from this. It's not going to come with a manual. Don't know why. So you take these two screws, they're going to be screwed in, you screw them out, you slide into these holes.
Slide
and then,
deep in those holes.
Deep in them, deep as possible. And in this hole,
move!
This hole, it's like a little open part, so you just take it, it's gonna be like, and you just kind of fold it on there, and you slide it in.
Yeah, just fold it and slide it.
There we go, okay. So you see that? You see the little groove? You slide it into that little small part, and then you slide it sideways into the bigger part, and that's when that should be on like that. So then after that, you screw it onto the board. There should be screws that are already screwed into the board. 4 screws right here, you screw those out, and then you put these ones that it comes with in, with a hex screw that it probably comes with. Are you trying to jerk the thing off? And then once you do that, or once you put this on, you put this up to tighten it, so now it's on. It's going to be folded down, you slide it up and you put it on there. Like, let me demonstrate. You put, and then you push it down, and then you slide it on. It's kind of hard to do because I'm one-handing this.
Okay, yo, come here, yo. I think we go.
Bam! There you go. And then you do that. Now we're figuring out the top part, so I'll get back to that in a minute.
And that obviously is not going to work. So, you probably need to do it this way. Clamp on here. This in there. Get in there.
Alright, so with this right here, as I'm displaying, my dad's screwing on the 2 little clamp things on each side of the seat or the post. Now, as you can tell, he has his weird little, with the little long tab facing towards this silver screw at the end, which you're going to want to do, which I'm about to show in a minute. You're going to want that tab actually facing the back of the seat, because if you don't, when trying to fold the seat or unfolding the seat, that little latch will get stuck under the silver bearing and the bolt, and therefore it'll get stuck in a certain position. I forgot which position it gets stuck in, but you don't want to get stuck. So that long tab, you're going to want it facing the back of the seat. Wait, what do you mean too much money?
Like your gigs is high as fuck. And I'm like, yo, I ain't paying that much money for that shit. So I turned mine down to 1080.
Yeah.
Hey, man!
And as you see right here, this is where I mean you want that tab to face the back, because before you couldn't see that little long handle thing, whatever you want to call it, but now as you can tell where it's facing, because ours just got stuck, or his just got stuck, and he switched it.
Shit, but it doesn't work very well because it sucks. Plus, you know, maybe it worked better if it came with fucking instructions. And voila.
Alright. You got power start on with the seat. See, it seemed like he was wobbling.
Is he doing it?
I don't know. Are you wobbling at all?
A little bit. So you got to kind of lean forward, don't you?
Wait, Mel, you mind if I try?
Does that mean you?
Yes, it is. It gets cooler when the sun goes down. It's this dang sun heat.
Like jump forward?
Huh?
You mean like how it pushes up?
Yeah.
I think that's probably the power start.
Oh, you got the power start? Oh, okay. Cause yeah, I don't like the way my fat ass. Gonna
And also,
oh, I can ride that all day.
Jesus.
No, we were just trying it.
All right.
I just want to see if I can ride it. That speed is excellent for a fat boy. Like me. That's nice as fuck.
All right, y'all.
Don't lean too far back though. You look like you're gonna pop a willy. Bust your hat.
That's the seat on the D6 Plus. Probably wasn't the greatest tutorial on putting it on, but
Worse.
if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And I'm out. Peace.